Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I shall teach you how to draw a beautiful duck. Grab your pencils and paper and let's get started. We shall begin by sketching the basic shapes of the duck's body. Draw a large oval for the body and a smaller one for the head. Connect the two ovals with a curved line for the neck. Next, add a small circle for the eye and a beak. Now, let's work on the duck's wings. Draw two curved lines on each side of the body. These will be guidelines for the wings. Once you have the guidelines, sketch the wings shape. Make sure they are fluffy and have some features. Now, let's add some details to the duck's face. Once you have the guidelines, sketch the wings shape. Make sure they are fluffy and have some features. Now let's add some details to the duck's face. Draw a small dot inside the circle for the eye. Don't forget to give your duck some cute cheeks. Moving on the duck's feet and legs. Then add long curved lines for the legs. Your duck is starting to take shape. Add some lines to the wings to show the features. Now it's time to erase any unnecessary guidelines. Clean up your drawing to make it look polished. Take your time and pay attention to the details. Once you are happy with your drawing, it's time to add color. You can use watercolors, colored pencils or markers. Start by coloring the body with a light shade of yellow. Then add some orange to the beak and feet. Use darker shades to add depth and dimension to the wings. Don't forget to leave some white areas for highlights. Take your time and blend the colors smoothly. Feel free to add any additional details or patterns. Remember, this is your drawing, so make it your own. Once you are done coloring, let your drawing dry. And there you have it, a beautiful drawing of a duck. Thanks for watching this video.